Hello there. My name is Fabio and I welcome you to today's guided meditation. Thank you for being here. Before we start, I kindly ask you to find your most comfortable position. Make sure to have your spine upright. Turn off all of your notifications and close your eyes. Welcome to day 6, your first weekend session and your first 6-minute meditation. Let's begin by bringing awareness to your body. Starting at the top of your head, notice how this process feels more natural now after 5 days of practice. Let your face completely relax, your jaw soft, your neck and shoulders releasing any weekend tension. Just let go. Feel your chest, your arms, your whole body settling. You have a little more time today to go deeper. You've earned this longer practice through your consistency. With this extra minute, we can settle more deeply. Find your breath anchor, that familiar place where you feel your breathing. Notice how your breath naturally wants to slow down when you're not rushing. Let it find its own rhythm. Feel your body sinking deeper into relaxation. You have permission to be still for 6 whole minutes. Now use everything you learned this week. Your breath, your body awareness, and your skill with thoughts. When thoughts arise, gently label them thinking and return to your anchors. Notice how much more comfortable you are with meditation now compared to day 1. This is what building a practice looks like. Gradual, steady growth. this consistency is changing your brain, your stress levels, and your relationship with yourself. Take 3 deep breaths, feeling grateful for your commitment to yourself. Day 6 complete. Tomorrow, your first 7-minute session. See you there.